Today we have a beautiful chord melody arrangement of one of Elvis's most famous songs on his birthday. Let's talk about what you need for this song. To play along with Elvis's version, you need a capo at the 2nd fret, but we're going to leave it off for the purposes of this video. You need a C major chord. You need E minor with your pinky on the 1st string 3rd fret, index and middle where they always are. You'll need A minor, D minor, 2 versions of G, one with a pinky, one without, but no matter what, middle and ring on the 2 bass strings, and occasionally you need the pinky on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. An easy version of F, 3 fingers on 3 strings. Check it out. Ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, pinky, 4th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. And you're only going to strum those 3 strings. Kind of easy, just a little weird. You'll need a version of B7, also with only 3 fingers, middle, index, and ring finger, no pinky, the way B7 usually requires a pinky. Okay, 3 fingers, 4 strings for the B7 there. And an A chord that I encourage you to do with 1 finger, because really all your pressure is going to be on the 4th and 3rd string, 2nd fret. And you're only going to need to strum 3 strings. And if you feel ambitious, coming out of the chorus into the last verse, there's a chance to do a nice little walk up. No big deal. That'll make more sense in a minute when we get into the chorus. So those are the skills you're going to need over here for the left hand. For your strumming hand, remember with chord melodies, a light touch is super important. And anytime you see a stack of numbers, the number on the skinniest string, that's the melody note. That's the one that you can't live without. All the other notes are harmony notes. If you have any problems getting those to ring clearly, keep practicing those. Maybe include only 1 or 2 harmony notes if there's a lot of them. But no matter what, that melody note has to ring loud and clear, okay? Otherwise, the listener can't hear the melody, okay? So always prioritize the melody note, which is always on the skinniest treble string of whatever stack of numbers you're looking at, okay? All right, let's get started. So here come the first 2 verses. During the first verse, I'll give you a few tips as we go. During the second verse, I'll just play through it. So C chord, here we go. Get your pinky down, A minor, pinky again, D minor, C, G with the pinky, open 3rd string, that gives you a moment to get your F chord ready, G, A minor, here's a D minor, C, G with the pinky, to C, 2nd verse. The chorus begins with a nice easy 1-finger E power chord, open, ring, index, B7, and you repeat that a 2nd time, and a 3rd time, back to the ring finger, that 1-finger A, ring finger, easy G, and nice little walk up that leads to the final verse. So that walk up, you have to be quick because right after that 2nd fret on the 5th string, it goes right into a full C chord. Okay? You can do it. Alright, hey, thanks for watching everybody, and thank you Elvis. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my website, Songbite, for videos you cannot find on YouTube. And I'll see you for another classic song tomorrow.